how to trade options on Robinhood. Now, if you're wondering how you can do option trading on Robinhood, first of all, it is important to understand a couple of basic elements. The first thing is that you must have enabled option trading within the Robinhood application, and you will normally be asked this when you're signing up, or later on also you can come to your account icon from the investing tab, and from here you can simply go to options trading to basically enable it. So after you've enabled option trading, you can simply select a stock, and then after you select a stock, you can go to trade. Now you can place a good till canceled or good for day orders. A GTC, which is a good till cancel order, stays open for 90 days or until you cancel it or it's filled. A GFD order is automatically cancelled at market close on the day it's placed if it doesn't execute. Now you can also exercise your options. To exercise your long options, you can open Robinhood, go to your position screen by tapping the chart icon in the lower left and tap on exercise and follow the instructions, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically trade options in Robinhood. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.